All the plastic that's ever been made still exists on the earth today. So it's damaging in the fact that it's petroleum-based product. It has a lot of chemicals. It also absorbs a lot of chemicals from the environment.
If you think about the full life cycle of a plastic bottle, you have to start from extracting the raw materials from the earth, and then you have to think about after you buy it and use it that one time.
It's obviously a global problem, but if we zoom into our San Francisco area, there's certain things that we can look at. We live on an estuary. Our storm drains are draining out into the bay, and so any plastic and trash that's left in the streets are flowing freely out into the bay, which then goes out into the ocean. And then marine mammals, whales, dolphins, are large enough where they're swimming and trying to eat other fish and their prey, and then they're actually eating these plastic pollution, and sea turtles will eat plastic bags thinking they're jellyfish, and once they have that plastic in their stomach they can't digest it, so it just stays in there. They feel like they're full all the time when it's really just full of plastic, so they're not getting as much nutrients. And then on top of that, all the plastic chemicals that are in there and the chemicals that the plastic has absorbed from the ocean around them are leaching back out into the animal itself. And so if those are animals that we eat, then that in turn is being placed on our dinner plates.
We clean the beach 3 times a month, 2 at Ocean Beach and 1 at Baker Beach, and it's just a nice way to relax and enjoy the beach and then feel like you're doing something positive, which you really are. Each of those pieces of plastic could ultimately end up in the food that you eat. If more people think about kind of where the plastic that they're using comes from and what happens to it after, I think that can be really powerful.
The biggest thing that people could do themselves to make an impact is to stop using plastic. Individuals can say, well, I'm just one person, and how will I affect change? But if you're one person in a community and you're telling people what you're doing and you're telling them why you care and you're getting them to care and you really feel it, that's going to change people around you. And if all of the people around you start to do that, then we just grow in this wider circle of having more people care about change and influencing change.